Hi, ladies. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about hydration heroes. Yes, hydration heroes. Problems with your skin, certain times of the season that just start getting little dry patches. Today I'm going to show you some products that will help with that problem. Stay tuned. I'll see ya. Be right back. Talk about our hydration heroes. We have a few specific products, and some of them I want to feature here today. I want to talk real brief about them because there are a couple of videos I've done in the past few weeks that talks a little bit more in depth. One of them I'm going to bring up again is Calm and Restore Facial Milk. Okay, this is part of our clinical solution set, but you can use this any time of the day, all the time. This will help with dry patches or anything that you might have that just kind of pops up throughout the day, or maybe more in the evening or more in the morning. And there's just a few things about this, but you shake it up really good and just do a few little squirts. There, I do have it in a travel size if you want to carry it in your purse. If you have problems, you want to keep it that way. The next item, Nourishing Oil. Okay, our naturally nourishing oil comes with an eyedropper, right? Just a few drops. It has some beautiful, beautiful fragrance. It is one of 4 parts that goes with our naturally set. It is one of 4 parts that goes with our naturally set, and this is a fabulous item to just add to a couple of places. Put it with your night creams, mix it together. It is wonderful. So one of my most favorite time-wise moisture renewal gel mask. Okay, you are going to love this. It smells so yummy. So cleanse your skin. Take this, a few dabs about the size of a pea, rub it all over on your face, and then just wait. It is a mask. It's a gel renewal mask. You can leave this on. You can put your night cream on after that and go to bed. I personally wash it off, and I use my night cream so all my vitamins will go really deep into my skin. It is great for multi-masking. So we have a couple other masks that I'm not going to go through today that you can use with this. Say the charcoal mask. Do the charcoal mask in your tea if you're more of a combination person, and use the moisture renewal gel on your cheeks where usually you have more dry patches. The first one, or one of them, is our Intense Moisturize Cream. And then, of course, our oil-free hydrating gel. Yes, I'm a little bit of a combination girl. I love our oil-free hydrating gel. This and the Intense are so creamy. This one is purple. The other one is pink. It's very easy to keep track. Just a little dab-a-doo-ya. There is a little applicator that you put in so you don't put your fingers in here and keep putting bacteria in it. Keeps it fresh longer. You can add this after you put on your night cream or your day cream. You can use this both times, doesn't. So anyone who prefers like that rich, that luxurious type of cream texture sort of, these are your creams. But they are not to be used in place of your day or night hydrators, okay? They are to be used along with. So that is my list of hydrators. I don't want to overwhelm you. Definitely ask me any questions down below. We'll go into a little more in depth. And then, of course, I will definitely link my website on here so that you have the opportunity to go onto my website and check that out. So, ladies, have a fabulous day. We will see you later. This is Kim Brown. I am 50 and I am fabulous. See ya.